morning everybody. Welcome in science class. As you know that beta we have completed the reading of lesson 11 natural resources and conservation. Now today we are going to do the exercise of this lesson. Okay. Now question number 1. Terrace farming is practiced in hilly areas or coastal areas. So terrace farming कहाँ होती है बेटा? In hilly areas. Catalytic converters are fitted in vehicles or factories. Catalytic converters are fitted in vehicles to reduce the pollution, air pollution. Rainwater harvesting is done on roof or ground. Rainwater harvesting is done on roof. The correct answer is roof. Diarrhea and cholera are airborne disease or waterborne disease. Diarrhea and cholera are waterborne disease. Now question number 5. Which of the following is recyclable? Polythene or aluminium foil? Polythene and aluminium foil both are recyclable. So you make option C both and I put a tick mark in front of that both. Okay beta? Now part B. Fill in the blanks with the option given below. All living things need air to dash in. All living things need air. Why we need air? To breathe in. First में क्या आएगा बेटा? Breathe. Second, inhaling dash air can cause breathing problems. Inhaling impure air can cause breathing problems. Okay. Now third, dash leads to soil erosion. That is deforestation. That is cutting down of trees led to soil erosion. You have to write here deforestation. Now fourth, fossil fuels are dash source of energy. Fossil fuels are which source of energy? Exhaustible source of energy. Okay, they are exhaustible natural resources. Forests are cleared to get dash land. Forest को why we cut the trees? Forests are clear to get cultivable lands. तो first में क्या आएगा बेटा आपका? Breathe. First में breathe. Second, inhaling impure air. Third, dash led to soil erosion. Which led to soil erosion? Deforestation. Fourth, fossil fuels are exhaustible. And fifth, forests are cleared to get cultivable land. Cultivable land. Now this is B part beta. Okay, now C part. Give one word for the following. Reckless cutting down of trees. I have already told you that cutting down of trees means deforestation. Okay, so यहाँ पे क्या आएगा? D पे deforestation. Addition of unwanted substance to anything, that is pollution. Okay, chemicals used to kill insecticides. Chemical used to kill pest, that is pesticides. तो first में C के first में क्या है बेटा? Deforestation. Second, pollution. And third, insecticide. Insecticide. And fourth will be pesticide. Okay. Now D part. Identify what is shown in the picture. Okay. What is this beta? This is solar heater. Okay beta. Now this is catalytic converter. This is solar cooker. And what is this? Cutting down of tree, that is called deforestation. The first will be क्या है बेटा? Solar heater या panel or panel. Now second will be catalytic converters. And third will be solar cooker. And fourth is deforestation. Okay. Now E part. Match the following. Ash and sewage cause. Carbon dioxide is used for. Smoke coming out from chimney cause. Coal and petroleum are dash. Ash and sewage cause. अगर हम ऐश है, ये जो आपकी जो बर्निंग ऑफ गार्बेज के बाद जो राख या ऐश आती है और सीवेज है, दैट विल कॉज एयर पोल्यूशन. That will add in the water, then it will cause water pollution. Okay. Carbon dioxide is used for which plants use this gas, this air, carbon dioxide, that is used for photosynthesis process. Smoke coming out from chimneys, that caused air pollution. And coal and petroleum are fossil fuels. तो numbering क्या हो जाएगी बेटा? 2, 4, 1 and 3. Okay. Part. Write true or false. Soil is a reserve of nutrients. That is true. Spraying insecticide and pesticide enrich the soil. If we spray insecticides and pesticides, that will enrich the soil? No, that is false. Okay. Now next. Afforestation led to soil erosion. Afforestation का मीन्स क्या होता है बेटा? प्लांटिंग ट्रीज. डिफोरेस्टेशन क्या होता है? कटिंग डाउन ऑफ ट्रीज. तो एफोरेस्टेशन लेड टू सॉइल एरोजन. अगर हम प्लांट करेंगे ट्रीज को, दैट विल लेड टू सॉइल एरोजन? नो, दिस इज फॉल्स. गम, रेजिन एंड रबर आर ऑब्टेन्ड फ्रॉम एनिमल्स. एनिमल्स देता है बेटा गम्स, रेजिन एंड रबर? नो, दैट आर ऑब्टेन्ड फ्रॉम प्लांट्स. सो दिस इज फॉल्स. Recycling helps in conservation. If we recycle the material, that help in conservation. That is true. Okay. So beta, you have to write and learn exercise of lesson 11 in book. Okay. Thank you. Have a nice day.